Alright, on this old 6075 mahindra, we're gonna fire this jewel up. Now, with me here, work with. Got a neat little trick. Once again, for the people who don't know. Pretty nice to know things. Disconnecting this old stump grinder here. Y'all just heard me crank the tractor up. Now, don't know whether you know this or not, but I don't even know how. Anyway, you see this right here, tractor grinder? That's number 2. Oh, yeah, dig it. Got a camera in my hand, I can't do it. Ain't that something? Lord. Let's see. Well, dang. Hey, I might get you to help me. Come here and do this video with me. Come on. I got somebody. Here we go. Got somebody. Just a random person walking through the neighborhood and all. See if I can get him to hold this phone. But yeah. Here we go. Get this suspect up right there. See this neighborhood? This is what I'm at. You ready? Alright. Tractor's running now. Nice, ain't it? Nice. Now, you can take these hoses. Tractor's running. I've been wanting to do this. Alright, connect. Yes, you're going to have a little drippage. Connect it. And it worked. So, here we go. Do it one more time. Tractor's running. Push in, pull out. Push in, pull out. Push in, pull out. Push in, pull out. Just learned that the other day. So I'm just trying to share some information with somebody that did not know. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.